Here are some site settings that you must know in Google Chrome. So let's get started. Once you're in Chrome, you have to click on the three dots which are on the top right, and then go to Settings. Once you're here, click on Privacy and Security, and then click on Site Settings. So on this page, you get a summary of what all access each site has. So if you scroll down and come to Permissions, they have options like location, camera. So let's see an example. I'll come to camera, and if I scroll down, here I can see which sites have access to my camera. So these are all of the sites which do have access to my camera. And let's say I want to remove access of this site. I'll just click on delete, that's here, and it's gone. So the same way, it's important you review this every once in a while. And now if I go back up, so this is what sites will automatically do. And there are two options. One is allow sites to ask you to use your camera. And the second option is to not allow sites to use your camera. Now I'll go back. And the same way for location, microphone, notifications, you'll see the same options. So I'll quickly show you for location. If you scroll down, here you can see the sites which already have access or don't have access to your location. And then they have the default behavior on top. So again, just select whatever you want. I usually leave it on these two settings. And the same way for microphone, down you can see the sites with access, and on top, the default behavior. So this is one thing that you should go through. In my opinion, the first three are really important for privacy, which is your location, camera, and microphone access. If you click on additional permissions, then here you can see more options, which I won't get into right now. But first, you should ensure that these three you've gone through. And now, there are a couple of more settings that you should know. So I'll scroll down, and that's over here. So one is third-party cookies, and the second is pop-ups and redirects. So again, if you click on this, if you scroll down, you can see the sites which can use third-party cookies. So I only have this one site, and if I want to remove it, I'll just delete it, and it's gone. And on top, again, we can see the default behavior if you want to block third-party cookies or allow it. So these are the two options. I'll go back. And the next setting that's important is pop-ups and redirects. So this is one thing that you should go through, since many of the scam sites, they'll have a lot of pop-ups or redirect you to other sites. So now just go through this list and ensure that all of the sites are legit and the ones that you use and trust. And again, if you want to remove some, you can just click on the three dots and click on remove. And again on top, there is the default behavior, which is either to allow or to not allow sites to send pop-ups or redirects. So these essentially cover the most important site settings that you must go through. They do have a lot more settings, but I feel that these are the most important. And if you have more time, you can go through the other ones as well. But that's it for today. And if you want to know some Chrome privacy and security settings, check out this video. Goodbye.